What's up you guys, and welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chinny. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I upload twice a week, which is Tuesdays and Friday. Okay, so today I'm going to be reacting to my old makeup videos, all my old makeup videos that I did at the initial time. So I'm going to do a react with me with you guys so that you guys will react with me, you know. It's gonna be a funny thing for us. So let me first of all on my computer, and yeah, you guys are going to watch it with me so that you will tell me how I do then and now. It's funny, right? Yeah. So if you are new, I started my YouTube channel 2018 August. So I'm going to be switching my this thing so that I will show you guys what I'm saying. It's funny, right? Like I was watching it the other day with my kids, and my kids were, "Mommy, is this you?" I said, "Yes, it's me." And I said, "No, I must do this video for you guys to watch with me as well, because it's really funny to see how I applied makeups, like my cheeks, my highlighter, my what do they call it, blush, my eyeshadows. So how I look then and now. So it's really funny. Okay. Alright guys, so here we are. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and so I'm smiling in advance because I know the mess that I did then, so I'm just smiling in advance. So I'm going to go to my channel, your channel. So here we go. So this is my channel, and this is all the videos that I have created, and I think about 200 and something. So wait, my internet is loading. Got to reach there. See all these makeups like Tammy Revolution. I think Tammy was last year, it wasn't last 2 years. So we are going for the reaction, right? Yeah, so we are going for the reaction of 2018 makeup. This is last year, I guess. So these are last year videos. Okay, yeah guys, here is the first video that I uploaded on my YouTube channel, and this video right here is the video that I did, is a tutorial I did on Instagram. So when I started my YouTube channel, it was the first video I uploaded. So when I uploaded this video, I got, for the very first minute, I got 50 views. So I thought that is how easy it is. Okay. So I got the 50 views. So this is the second video, and this is the third video. So this is Instagram video. Let me play it for you guys and see how it does, and show you guys one thing, because everybody in this YouTube has one way or the other how they started. Okay, so it's part of their remembrance how they started. So here we are. Pardon, my camera is recording. Okay, here it is. Let me put it a full screen here. I was really hard, like oh my god. Here I had my second baby here. I think I had my second baby in 2017, and I'm still breastfeeding. Okay, don't mind my attire. right here. I'm still breastfeeding, and it's something else. It's something else. I didn't want to. I love beauty, and I feel like, you know, giving it in. So this is it, and it's very short. It's very short. So we are going for the second video, and that video I didn't talk, but when I was talking, to me, I was very shy, you know, as a new starter. Then I was literally shy, and yeah, I was shy. That's all I can say. I was shy. So this video right here is the second video I did on my Instagram, and I found it that I am an expert. Even my Italian friends were like, oh Chini, you can do this makeup, you're a very nice person, you're a perfect person. This, you know, those phrases like, you can do it, you know how to do makeup, this and that. So this is how I was applying those makeups. To me then is the perfect and the best way to, you know, like apply your makeups, unlike now that you say, no, I don't like these styles, okay? So oh my god, this is how I'm fixing my eyelashes. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. Just look at the way I am sampling this. Mind you guys, here I am filming with my phone, okay? I am filming with my phone, my what is the name of that phone again? ZTE Blade L5. I was filming with my phone right here. You see how I'm applying my concealer. Just look at the way I'm. Oh my god, I think that's not me, okay? That is not me. So the hair I'm carrying here, I am the one who fixed it by myself. This is, I think, all back. Then I fixed it by myself. I had my second baby here. Look at me. Please guys, I don't want to laugh. Like, I don't want to laugh. This is it. Oh my goodness. I think this is not me. If you know me, you know that this I am shaming for myself. Look at. Although my makeup then wasn't really bad, right? I guess it wasn't really bad because I know how to apply the blush, but the contour is something else. The contour is something else. Honestly guys, the contour is something else. See how I'm doing the contour. Yeah, and there is something I remember here. You know, after making your eyebrows, you know, you're like, okay, you just put some highlight here. I don't normally do it now, but then I used to do it, and that place will be popping. Just look at, to me, I'm the best. I'm the best makeup artist in the world. Just look at Shakara Uma. Oh my goodness. See my smile then. See me, the best makeup artist so far. You guys won't believe this. Honestly guys, you won't believe this. So these three videos that I showed you guys right now, they are the videos that I filmed with my phone then, and you know, that time I newly started. I don't have light, I don't have ring light. I film with natural light. Just look at, in this place I'm talking, but you know, I'm very shy to speak loud. I'm very shy, you know, like to describe what I'm doing, you understand? So to me, I was really shy in this video right here. So you see what I'm doing, and even a lot of people, you know, at the comment section, they were like, we can't hear you, you are not talking. I am the one who put the music, and that time when I started, I was editing my videos with Quick. You understand? If you know Quick, you understand that Quick is also one of the best applications for Instagram tutorials. I don't know if they have made it for YouTube videos, but I know that is, you can use it, you know, like make your Instagram videos and post it. So that is what I used to edit these 3 videos right here. So yeah, and just look at the way I'm applying the money. Oh my goodness. Like guys, just tell me that this is not me, okay? Just tell me that this is not me. So this is how the makeup was going on. And wait, I'm brushing my eyebrows, trying to fix, just this is really funny. If you don't find this funny, I found it funny because me then and me now is not the same, and it looks quite different, like different people, okay? So that the light there is our balcony light in the old house. So let me fast forward it to, I don't want this video to be long, so let me fast forward it to when I'm just look at. And that time I noticed one thing from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty, you know, makes tutorial that time, and she will apply, you know, powder on the eyebrow. So people asked her why she do that. She said that it makes the eyebrows to last all day for her. So that time, whenever I want to make my videos, you know, whenever I want to, you know, set up my under eyes, I'll end up, you know, setting up my eyebrows as well, and that really helps my makeup then, although some are cracky, like caked. So but now I don't really do it. Just look at, I'm dusting out the powders, all this, that. So fast forward this to where I am done with the makeup. So this is the lipstick that I'm going to apply. Like guys, everybody has their YouTube starting time videos to remember how they started and all this, that, all those stuff. So everybody has how they started. I have how, like, these videos are my stories, how I started my YouTube channel. So I really want to bring you guys back to where I start, okay? I don't want to, you know, I don't want you guys to be saying that I just started from up. No, I started from somewhere. Like this video was, I filmed this video with my phone, okay? Just look at what I'm doing there. Just imagine I'm known like trying to showcase the good work I did. Just look, I'm talking here, but I put it like fast. And one thing I learned here is that the foundation is very, very bright. And mind you guys, I am somebody who always get confused with what they draw, and whenever I see something brown, I'll just, you know, like buy it from Yves Rocher or Makeup Revolution or any other person, okay? When I buy it, and at the end when I get it with my hands, I will see that is not my color, okay? That's the problem I have with foundation. And I love foundation. When I want to buy it, I go to the store and buy it by myself. I really like that. So look at this video right here. This is O2O product review, and you guys, this tutorial right here is another thing, okay? Don't mind me, I don't have ring light then, but I have that Amcov camera. Make sure you check the video out. I have this camera and I film with that camera. So sometimes, you know, I film with my balcony when the rain is falling and the weather is not bright, okay? I film it. But this particular one right here, it got me annoyed because the camera, the color, all those kind of a thing, it got me annoyed, okay? So that is it. I am talking in this video, but you can't hear me because I was talking little, unlike now, okay? Now I talk how I should talk, okay? So here I'm applying my eyeshadow, I guess. My eyeshadow, and that time there is something I remember right now. That time I don't really have you know, I don't know that I will apply concealer or eyeshadow primer, you know, like to help the color to pop up as it used to now. But that time I just know, like, finish applying all these things, I'll, you know, like, guys, just leave me, okay? I tried, okay? I'm even better than some people then who just apply how they are, like how they know. So I'm even better, okay? I'm grateful that I know where to apply and where not to apply. Okay, fast forward to when I am done with the makeup, and you see, one thing I like most about beauty is that every day by day you are growing up, okay? Every day by day you are growing up, and trust me guys, when you are growing up you are learning a lot of things, okay? And that will make you even more, you know, like to become what you want to be, okay? When you, like, had it been that my look then and now is the same, I won't grow up, okay? But because of, say, there is a little, you know, a difference from then makeup and now makeup, okay? Just look at how I am talking. The eye look is good, but the concealer and the Jesus Christ of Nazareth, did I go out with this makeup? Oh my god, I think no, I didn't go out with this makeup. I guess I didn't go, okay? Because I can't go out with this makeup. Just look at my mouth, okay? Just look at my mouth, and this under this place is not well blended, and forehead, everybody is seeing the end of the one I applied on my forehead, the concealer, the baking, everything. It's something cakey, okay? It's something cakey. It's not well blended, okay? You see, like, I tried. So if you like this reacting video, calling you guys, you know, recording your memory, refreshing your memory with my, one thing I love then is that my eyebrow is the first thing I learned, and my makeup, my eyebrow is very, very clean. Like, it's very, very clean, okay? My eyebrow is very, very clean, guys. I didn't do much mistakes. Okay? I only did a little bit mistake. So if you watch all these things, you will see that I didn't do any single mistake, okay, capito? So yeah guys, that brings us to this react with me, and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? I love you all.